Welcome to our video on creative ways to make money using AI art. In today's digital age, the fusion of technology and creativity has opened up exciting avenues for artists and entrepreneurs alike. We'll explore various methods to monetize AI-generated art, from selling prints and merchandise to offering custom designs for clients. Whether you're an experienced artist or someone who has never picked up a pencil, AI art tools make it incredibly accessible for everyone. You don't need traditional drawing skills to create stunning visuals that can capture attention and generate income. Throughout this video, we'll share practical tips, inspiring success stories, and the best platforms to showcase your work. So if you're ready to dive into the world of AI art and discover how to turn your creativity into cash, stick around. Let's unlock the potential of AI art together and explore how you can start your journey today. Understanding AI art. AI art refers to artwork created with the assistance of artificial intelligence algorithms, which analyze and generate images based on input data. This innovative approach has gained significant traction in the creative landscape, allowing artists and non-artists alike to explore new forms of expression. The technology behind AI art generation tools, such as neural networks and machine learning, enables these systems to learn from vast data sets, mimicking styles and techniques from various art movements. As a result, users can create unique pieces with just a few clicks, making art more accessible than ever before. This democratization of creativity means that anyone, regardless of their artistic background, can experiment with AI art and produce visually stunning results. The growing popularity of AI art is not just a trend, it represents a shift in how we perceive creativity and the tools we use to express it. Join us as we delve deeper into this fascinating world. Selling digital prints. Creating and selling digital prints of AI-generated art is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble provide user-friendly environments for artists to showcase and sell their work. These sites allow you to upload your digital art, set your prices, and reach a global audience. When it comes to pricing, consider factors like the complexity of the artwork, your target market, and competitor pricing. Offering a range of sizes and formats can also attract more buyers. To effectively market your digital prints, leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visual content thrives. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process, engage with your audience, and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Collaborating with influencers or participating in online art communities can further enhance your reach. By combining quality art with strategic marketing, you can successfully sell your AI-generated digital prints and build a loyal customer base. Creating merchandise. Turning your AI art into merchandise is an exciting way to generate profit while showcasing your creativity. Popular options include t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and even wall art. These items allow fans to carry your designs with them or decorate their spaces. Print-on-demand services like Printful and Teespring make this process seamless. With these platforms, you can upload your AI-generated designs, and they handle production, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on creating. To promote your merchandise effectively, utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Share eye-catching images of your products, engage with your audience through stories and posts, and consider running targeted ads to reach potential customers. Collaborating with influencers or hosting giveaways can also boost visibility. By combining your unique AI art with quality merchandise and strategic promotion, you can create a profitable venture that resonates with art lovers and everyday consumers alike. Offering custom commissions. Offering custom AI art commissions is a fantastic way to connect with clients and provide personalized artwork. To set up a commission service, platforms like Fiverr are ideal, as they allow you to create a profile showcasing your skills and examples of your AI-generated art. When determining pricing, consider factors such as the complexity of the piece, the time required for creation, and market rates for similar services. Clearly outline your turnaround time, ensuring clients know when to expect their artwork. Effective communication is crucial in this process. Engage with clients to understand their vision and preferences. Regular updates during the creation process can enhance client satisfaction and build trust. After delivering the final piece, encourage feedback to ensure they are happy with the result. By prioritizing client communication and delivering quality custom art, you can establish a strong reputation and attract repeat business in the growing market for personalized AI art. Building a social media presence. Establishing a strong social media presence is essential for showcasing your AI art and attracting followers. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are particularly effective for visual content, allowing you to share your creations with a broad audience. To engage your audience, post consistently and use high-quality images that highlight your art. Incorporate storytelling into your posts by sharing the inspiration behind each piece or the process of creating it. Engaging with your audience through comments, polls, and Q&A sessions can foster a sense of community and encourage interaction. Additionally, consider collaborating with other artists and influencers to expand your reach. Joint projects or shout-outs can introduce your work to new audiences and create valuable connections. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and attract potential followers. By actively engaging with your audience and collaborating with others, you can build a vibrant social media presence that showcases your AI art and drives growth. In this video, we explored 5 creative ways to monetize your AI art selling digital prints, creating merchandise, offering custom commissions, and building a strong social media presence. Each of these avenues presents unique opportunities for artists and enthusiasts alike to turn their creativity into profit. The beauty of AI art is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of traditional artistic skills, allowing anyone to earn through their unique creations. As you embark on your journey in the world of AI art, remember that the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might be interested in exploring AI art. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with AI art.